Have you ever wondered why some people seem unstoppable while others give up before they even start? There's a hidden secret in how our brain works, one that turns motivation into an almost limitless force. Today, I'll reveal how to master this powerful tool so you never lose momentum toward your goals. It's difficult to trigger a major dopamine spike after already experiencing one because we've just reached the peak. But if you adjust your expectations, relax, and understand that a slight post-peak dip is natural, it makes all the difference. This feeling is completely normal, just like when one day feels less exciting than the previous one. However, if you allow things to build up gradually again, you'll discover that your ability to use dopamine as a motivator rather than just a reward is endless. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Now let's dive in. I can say with absolute certainty that this is how you manage to build a successful company. Dopamine release in the brain is always subjective. There's no single, exclusive experience that monopolizes its release. Everything depends on how we perceive the world around us. Even completing something small, no matter how insignificant it may seem, can trigger a sense of achievement. The key is to train your brain to value these small victories, because it's not about what you complete, but about the act of completing it. Every time you push the horizon forward and close a cycle, no matter how small, you're programming your system to seek more. However, the most important thing is to avoid excessive chasing. If you're constantly pressing the mental accelerator without proper rewards, the result is burnout. Finding the perfect balance between effort and reward is crucial. Finding this balance is like tuning an instrument. You need to make constant adjustments, as what works today may not be enough tomorrow. For example, the practices that once sparked enthusiasm and energy at the start of your journey may lose their impact if not revisited or refreshed. The science of habits helps us understand this. Small, manageable habits create a cumulative effect. They not only provide an immediate sense of progress, but also lay a solid foundation for greater achievements. Think of it like constructing a building. Every brick matters. You might not see progress at first, but eventually it transforms into something remarkable. Moreover, how we interpret our actions plays a crucial role. When we recognize the value in small achievements, we train our brain to see each step as part of a larger process. When the focus is on progress rather than just the end goal, the path to success becomes more sustainable and less overwhelming. This brings us to another key point: the importance of an honest mindset. Positive thinking is powerful, but it must be grounded in reality. Chasing unrealistic goals doesn't trigger dopamine. Instead, it often leads to frustration. Rather than fixating on distant, unattainable outcomes, it's far more effective to focus on what is achievable right now. Small victories accumulate over time, leading to significant results. Recognizing the value of small achievements also helps avoid the all-or-nothing trap. Too often, we become so fixated on the final goal that we forget to celebrate progress along the way. This lack of recognition can result in exhaustion, demotivation, and ultimately giving up. On the other hand, when we cultivate the habit of acknowledging our accomplishments, no matter how small, we strengthen our emotional and mental resilience. Think of it as charging a battery. Every little victory adds energy to the system, keeping us engaged, motivated, and ready to push forward.
The fatal mistakes keeping you poor. Many people work hard but remain poor because they make financial mistakes that destroy any chance of growth. Spending everything you earn, failing to invest, accumulating unnecessary debt, and not seeking financial knowledge are just some of the most common mistakes. I'll show you exactly what these mistakes are and how to avoid them so you can fast-track your journey to wealth without unnecessary detours. How to create your action plan to get rich now, that you understand the fundamental principles of wealth building. It's time to create a practical plan to apply them to your life. I'll give you a simple step-by-step guide to put these strategies into action, even if you're starting from scratch. The key is consistency and execution. The importance of patience and persistence. Wealth doesn't happen overnight. Even billionaires took years to build their fortunes. But the good news is that if you follow the right strategies, your financial growth will be much faster than you think. The biggest mistake people make is giving up before they see results. So stay focused, stick to your plan, and reap the rewards of your efforts. The final step to financial freedom. We've reached the end of this journey, but this is just the beginning of your financial transformation. You now have a real plan to break free from stagnation and build wealth. If you apply what you've learned, here, you could be just 6 months away from a completely different financial reality. So the final question is, are you ready to take action? Don't let this opportunity slip away. The path to wealth is right in front of you. You just need to take the first step. The power of multiplication. The key to getting rich quickly isn't just about earning money. It's about knowing how to multiply it. Great investors don't rely solely on their salaries or businesses. They make their money work for them. I'll show you how to identify opportunities and invest wisely so your wealth can grow exponentially. The importance of time and discipline. Patience and discipline are the greatest allies of those who want to build wealth. Many people quit before they see results. Here, I'll teach you how to stay focused and resist the temptation to give up. I'll share a proven method to keep you on track until you reach the financial success you desire. How to create your own path to success. Now that you've learned the strategies, it's time to take action. I'll guide you through the first step to implementing this knowledge into your life so you can begin your financial journey today. And if you want to speed up the process, I'll reveal an exclusive bonus to help you achieve financial freedom as quickly as possible. The power of multiplication. Now that you know what not to do, let's talk about what truly matters: multiplying your money. Great investors don't depend solely on salaries or businesses. They make their money work for them. Imagine that every pound you earn is a seed. If you plant it in the right place, it will grow and multiply. This is the power of compound interest and smart investments. It's not just about earning money. You need to know how to make it grow. And I'll show you exactly how to identify these opportunities, whether through investments, business ventures, or even your career. The importance of time and discipline. But pay attention. Wealth doesn't happen overnight. Many people give up before seeing results simply because they underestimate the power of time and discipline. Patience is your greatest ally. Imagine planting a tree. You wouldn't dig a hole today and expect fruit tomorrow. You need to water it, care for it, and wait. In the same way, your money needs time to grow. And discipline is what will keep you on the right track, even when temptations to spend or quit arise. Remember, consistency is key. How to create your action plan to get rich. Now that you understand the principles, it's time to take action. Let's create a simple yet powerful action plan. Set your financial goals. How much do you want to earn? In what time frame and for what purpose? Organize your finances, cut unnecessary expenses, pay off debts, and start saving. Invest in knowledge. Read books, take courses, and learn about investments. Start investing. Even if you begin with a small amount, the key is to take the first step. A well-executed plan is always better than a perfect plan that never gets off the ground. The importance of patience and persistence. I know it can be frustrating not to see immediate results, but trust me, they will come. Wealth is a marathon, not a 100-meter sprint. Many people give up at the very moment they are about to reap the rewards of their efforts. Don't make that mistake. Stay focused, follow your plan, and trust the process. Every small step you take today is bringing you closer to financial freedom. And once the results start to appear, you'll realize it was all worth it. How to create your own path to success. Now that you have all the tools, it's time to act. Don't wait for the perfect moment. It will never come. Start today, even if it's with a small step. Adapt the strategies to your reality and create your own path to success. And if you want to speed up the process, I have an exclusive bonus for you. But the most important thing is to take that first step. Remember, the journey to wealth starts with a decision. The final step to financial freedom. We've reached the end of this journey, but this is only the beginning of your financial transformation. Now you know the mistakes that keep you poor and how to avoid them. You've learned the importance of multiplying your money, practicing patience and discipline, and creating an action plan to put everything into practice. So the final question is, are you ready to take action? Financial freedom is within your reach, but only if you take the first step. What will you do today to change your life? Time is passing, and the opportunity is right in front of you. The choice is yours. How to maintain the wealth. You've built building wealth is one thing, keeping it is another. Here's what you need. To do, protect your assets against risks and unexpected events. Use smart financial strategies like insurance and emergency funds to avoid setbacks. Balance your lifestyle without compromising financial growth. Commit to lifelong financial education to stay ahead and sustain your success. The mindset of the wealthy. How to think for prosperity. To not only achieve wealth but also maintain and expand it, you need the right mindset. Scarcity versus abundance. The rich think differently about money and opportunities. Embracing challenges. Wealthy individuals see obstacles as stepping stones, not roadblocks. Surrounding yourself with the right people, your circle influences your success. Developing a growth-oriented mindset. Learn how to cultivate thoughts that attract wealth and success. Financial legacy. How to impact future generations. True wealth is about more than just money. It's about the legacy you leave behind. Teach your children and family about finance from an early age. Plan for succession and inheritance wisely to ensure your wealth lasts. Use your money to create a positive impact on society. Understand the true meaning of financial freedom. It's not just about getting rich, but living a fulfilling and meaningful life. Transformation. You now possess the knowledge, strategies, and mindset required to break free from financial limitations and build the wealth you've always desired. However, knowledge alone isn't enough. It's your actions that will determine your success. Now you know the mistakes that keep you poor and how to avoid them. You've learned the importance of multiplying your money, practicing patience and discipline, and creating an action plan to put everything into practice. You understand that financial freedom is not an overnight success story, but a journey that requires consistency, smart decisions, and the right mindset. So the final question is, are you ready to take action? Financial freedom is within your reach, but only if you take the first step. The biggest difference between those who achieve financial success and those who remain stuck is action. What will you do today to change your life? The clock is ticking, and the opportunity is right in front of you. The choice is yours. How to maintain the wealth you've built. Building wealth is one thing. Keeping it is another. Many people focus so much on acquiring wealth that they neglect the crucial step of protecting it. Financial success is not just about making money. It's about keeping and growing what you've earned over time. Here's what you need to do. Protect your assets against risks and unexpected events. Unexpected events can wipe out years of financial progress if you're not prepared. Market downturns, medical emergencies, job losses, or economic shifts can threaten your financial stability. The wealthy don't leave their financial future to chance. They prepare for the unexpected. This means having proper insurance, a well-diversified investment portfolio, and a solid emergency fund. Use smart financial strategies to avoid setbacks. One of the biggest mistakes people make after achieving financial success is lifestyle inflation. Spending more just because they earn more. Wealthy people don't just spend, they invest. They use financial strategies to ensure their wealth continues to grow, even during uncertain times. Setting up multiple streams of passive income, tax-efficient investments, and retirement plans are all ways to secure your financial future. Balance your lifestyle without compromising. Financial growth. Enjoying the wealth you've built is important, but it should never come at the cost of your financial security.